Good morning, folks. It's the 23rd of June today. Been a while since I did a video, so I thought I'd do one here that it's not really ham radio related, although there is a radio in it, or part of it. Recently I purchased a Ford F350 dually with the plan on getting a truck camper for it to do some camping. So I traded in my 36-foot travel trailer for this. And a lot of my friends who know me know I'm not a huge fan of Fords, but I am a Ram guy, and ended up for what I wanted, the only thing I could find suitable was a Ford. So it's a 2011 F350 dually XLT Lariat, fully loaded, so for the year. I'm quite happy with it. It does have a gas engine, 6.2 gasoline, the same as in the Ford Raptor, and it does fine. But anyway, this video is just a quick update of that, and I told you folks that who follow me that I would be doing a few videos of what I've been up to, not necessarily ham radio related stuff. So hope you enjoy this, and hope you stick with me. And for any new subscribers, I appreciate all your help and your subscriptions and your comments and stuff. It's been great. So these videos were taken weeks apart. One is just a walk around of the Ford that I bought, and then yesterday I came home with the slide-in camper, and it's an Adventurer 86 FB, and it's going to be lots of fun. So stay tuned, check out this video, and thanks for sticking with me. Well, I did a thing. '11 F350 dually off-road package. The 6.2 liter gasoline engine, same engine as in the Ford Raptor. And there's my alternate call sign plate on it. So now all I got to do is find a camper. It's a little dirty, but I'll clean it up. Okay, here's a video. Everyone wanted pictures of the inside, so here's the outside with the awning out. Nice big 8-foot awning. The easy enter stairs. Just pull them down. Screen door. So when you come in, 3-burner stove with the oven, double sink, storage underneath, storage up above, range hood with light. This side is dinette. The table will drop to an extra bed. Be tight squeeze, but storage underneath. Underneath here actually is shoe storage. There's a pretty big fridge here. And a separate freezer. Lots of room in that. So over to dinette, there's more storage along with the stereo. It does have outside speakers. Vent overhead with the shades, real nice. And here is, you see it, and bring it back far enough. That's the bathroom door here. It is a wet bath. So you sink with the shower head and the toilet all in one. And there's the shower drain. There you go. And up here is the queen size bed, the big deep closet, 2 mirrored doors on it, some storage over here, as well as over here, and then this opens up for some storage as well. And of course, there is a skylight up above which you can open, and there is a screen for it or the nightshade for it. So here's the nightshade, and this side is the screen. So it's not huge, but it is pretty awesome, and it's gonna be lots of fun. So here's looking from the bedroom out. There you go.